Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. So now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and on Receive on an Android in the middle of Send and History. Also on an Android, you need to scroll down in Personalize Your Ad section. Then tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Now click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. On it, you need to tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to pick all of your files that you wish to send. Then tap on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one. And tap on Send as well. Finally, from waiting area, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Choose while using or only this time to allow camera access. And last but not least, point your device's camera at this code. If you wish to input 6-digit key though, you need to tap on Input key section below, enter the key, type in all of those numbers correctly, and connect using Receive button. So now when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!